Get found online on Google. Local consumers use Google more than anything else to decide what roofing contractor to use when an emergency strikes. Whether the problem is a simple roof leak or major storm damage, your customers look to Google for help. If your business is not found on Google, then you might as well be invisible. This is Google Places. It is the #1 area on the internet to generate real customer leads for your business. People are searching for roofing companies all day, every day. If you can't be found by those searching, you'll get the same result: no leads. Our company works with roofing companies across the country to solve this exact problem. If your website is not bringing in a steady flow of leads for your business, we can help. Our goal is to take your business and develop an internet presence so that when people are looking for a roofing contractor, they will find you. What we do is not magic. It is really just consistent work across several key areas: your website, Google Places listing, third-party directory sites, customer reviews, and links to your website. The goal is simple. We want your business to be found everywhere possible customers are found. While being #1 is great, being found everywhere is better. You may be asking yourself, can I just do this work myself? If you had a full-time marketing person on staff, yes, you could. The reality is, most contractors do not have the luxury of a staff member to devote the time to this, as well as the knowledge as to what really needs to be done and how to do it. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to spend your valuable time marketing your business online? Or would you rather do what you do best and hire a professional team of experts to do it for you? Our goal is to be there for you. We want to be your partner and help your business build a real presence online. The end goal is not going to happen overnight. However, you will see real results right away. We want to offer you a free analysis of where your business fits online in your specific market. Thanks so much for your time. We look forward to providing you your free analysis and the opportunity to work with you.